Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to make this. For best effect, you will need video that goes forward. To create this video you will need Filmora 12. Before we start the video, go in my description, and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Flat Media. Firstly you need to find video that shot is going forward. And for the best result, video should not be longer than 8 to 10 seconds. Your video should look like this. Now right-click on Clip, and click on Crop and Zoom. Then Pan and Zoom tab. Click on the middle, and extend it. Move it to the center, and you can adjust by your preferences. Now when I click on play button it's just normal pan and zoom. But when you click on reverse, you can see clip is stretching out. Now let's see the result. Let's try another clip. Right click and crop and zoom again. Go to pan and zoom. Click on the middle, but this time I will change direction of the zoom to the left towers. You can adjust as you prefer. Then press on reverse button. Also, you can add keyframes if you like. Double click on clip, make a keyframe on first frame. And increase scale to 150. Then go to last frame and make it back to normal. Let's see how it will looks. For more tutorials please like this video and subscribe to Flat Media.